In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Acuity scheduling booking calendar to a Shopify page. We'll be taking a simple booking link from your Acuity scheduling account and placing the embed code into a new page inside Shopify so your customers can book directly from your store. This is a quick setup, but it's important to place the code in the correct area so the calendar displays properly. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Acuity scheduling user panel. Once you're inside your dashboard, locate your personal client booking calendar URL block. This is the booking link connected to your scheduling page, and it's the piece you'll need in order to embed your calendar on Shopify. Copy that full URL or embed block carefully so you can use it in the next step. If you're switching between tabs, it can help to keep both Acuity and Shopify open at the same time to make the process smoother. Next, go back to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store, then click Pages and choose Add Page. This creates a brand new page where your booking calendar will appear. You can give the page a clear title that matches the purpose of the booking experience, so it's easy for visitors to recognize when they land on it. Once the page is open, look at the content editor. By default, Shopify may show a visual editing mode, but for this setup, you'll need to switch the editor into HTML view, sometimes shown as the raw code mode or the angle bracket icon. This part matters because embed scripts usually won't work correctly if they're pasted into the normal visual editor. Changing to HTML view ensures the code is inserted exactly as intended. Now paste your custom Acuity embed code script block directly into the text editor. Make sure the full code is included and that nothing is accidentally deleted before or after the script. This is what allows the booking calendar to load properly on the page instead of appearing as plain text. After that, click Save. Once the page is saved, your Shopify page will contain the Acuity scheduling embed, and you can preview it to confirm the calendar is loading correctly. If anything looks off, the first thing to check is whether the code was pasted into HTML mode instead of the standard editor. That's it. You've now added your Acuity booking calendar to a Shopify page, making it easier for customers to schedule directly through your website.